This is Longton Park, Stoke-on-Trent, one of our many beautiful parks in the area. It opened in 1888, land generously donated by the Duke of Sutherland, who also donated land for Longton Cottage Hospital. Really a kind and important person in our history, the Duke of Sutherland. John Ainsley, the owner of Ainsley's, also donated £1,000 towards the opening of the park. There's the clock memorial tower. It's 45 acres in size. I was reading one of my history books. In the 1880s, some 10,000 visitors came every Sunday, which I couldn't believe. It's always been very popular. You've got the lovely bandstand where the bands used to play, which is still there to this day. There's cafe facilities, gym equipment, places for the children to play on swings and stuff. You've got obviously loads of wildlife, which is good for the kids and stuff. But I think this is one of the best parks. Burslem and Tunstall Park are very nice, but Longton Park's right up there. It's well worth a visit.